How to choose your blog's domain name and hosting. The success of your blog depends greatly on your choice of web hosting and your blog's domain name, as your domain name describes your business. Though free domains are tempting, it's better to get a paid domain for your blog, as they're a more reliable option that makes you work harder at establishing your blog, as you had to pay for its domain. Choose a domain name that has something related to your business to help people easily recognize and remember the niche of your business. Your domain name should be short, clear, and memorable so that people can easily remember them to type into a browser while looking for your business. You can use your name as a domain name if you run a personal business, as it makes it easier for you to build your online image. It's always better to choose and use a search engine-friendly domain name so that you can compete with others to get a place in the top page search engine rankings. While choosing your web host, it's important you choose one that supports a script you use in your blog, lest you end up spending more time correcting technical issues instead of blogging. Sign up only with reliable hosts who have a competent customer support crew to help you, so that you don't end up wasting time fixing any problems you may have. Choose a host based on your blogging needs, preferences, and intended purpose of your blog, as some people use blogs as a personal journal, while others use them to make money. If you don't know much about coding, it's better to choose hosting companies that offer simple and no-setup blog interfaces. With the help of these tips, you'll be able to choose the right domain name and hosting services that will help project your blog's online presence.